Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Pioneer 1000-5 windshield is probably one of the most essential accessories for your Honda Pioneer 1000-5. This video is dedicated to helping you navigate the world of windshields, ensuring you find the perfect match for your needs. Whether you're tackling tough trails or cruising with friends, the right windshield can significantly enhance your comfort and safety. Let's dive in and explore what makes a great windshield. Number 5. SuperATV Windshield for Honda Pioneer 1000. This windshield is designed for the Honda Pioneer 1000 and 1000-5 models. It's hard-coated on both sides for extreme durability, ensuring it can withstand tough conditions. You can set it to 3 different positions. Close it for full protection, vent it for a breeze, or flip it up for maximum airflow. The easy access latch and gas struts make adjustments simple. Made from robust 1/4-inch polycarbonate, this windshield is 25 times stronger than acrylic. It provides excellent protection against debris and the elements while maintaining clear visibility. It features a proprietary XR optic hard coating on both sides. This coating provides exceptional scratch resistance, UV protection, and makes it easy to clean, keeping it clear for years. The windshield comes pre-assembled with all the necessary hardware and instructions. Installation is quick and easy, so you can get back to enjoying your ride. What we like. This windshield offers incredible versatility with its 3 different settings. It can be fully closed, vented, or fully open, adapting to any weather condition. If you often ride in varying climates and need a windshield that can keep up, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This windshield came in quicker than expected, was easy to install and great quality. All the mounting holes are slotted, so it can be adjusted perfectly to fit and align nicely. It fits nice with a factory Honda roof as long as you adjust where the clamps attach to the roll cage. Number 4. Clearly tough Honda Pioneer 1000 Full Folding Windshield. This windshield is crafted from premium Lexan MR10 polycarbonate, the same material used in fighter plane canopies. It's incredibly tough, safe, and durable, offering superior protection against impacts. Featuring a scratch-resistant hard coat, this windshield is designed to withstand the elements. The unique coating provides a high level of protection against scratches and marring, ensuring long-lasting clarity. Made from premium polycarbonate, it's nearly unbreakable, being 250 times stronger than glass. It can handle rocks, branches, and other debris without breaking, ensuring your safety. Proudly made in Salt Lake City, Utah, using only the highest quality materials. You're getting the best of the best, with no compromises on quality or durability. This full folding windshield gives you the best of both worlds. It provides full protection or easily folds down to a half windshield. It's like having 2 windshields in one, offering maximum versatility. Designed for a perfect fit, this windshield installs in minutes using heavy-duty Velcro straps. The bottom trim molding protects the body, ensuring a secure and hassle-free installation. Offering maximum versatility, you can easily adjust it for the perfect fit. Switch between full or half windshield in minutes. You can even move it up the roll bar or remove it completely. What we like. This windshield gives you the best of both worlds with its full folding design. It functions as a full windshield for complete protection or folds down to a half windshield for airflow. If you like having options and want a windshield that adapts to your needs, this one is a great fit. What people say. The windshield is easy to install. It fits perfectly and looks great. It is a great addition to the Pioneer 1000-5. Number 3. SuperATV Half Windshield for Honda Pioneer 1000. This is the SuperATV Half Windshield, designed for your Honda Pioneer 1000. It offers just the right amount of protection to keep you safe from the elements. The windshield is cut at the perfect height. It keeps bugs, wind, and debris away from your face without blocking your view of the trail ahead. Made from robust 1/4-inch polycarbonate, this windshield is built to last. It's 25 times stronger than acrylic, ensuring it can withstand impacts and protect you. It features an XR optic hard coating on both sides. This coating provides exceptional scratch resistance, UV protection, and makes it easy to clean, maintaining its clarity. Installation is quick and easy. The windshield comes pre-assembled, and you can scan the QR code or visit the website for detailed instructions and videos to help you install it. This product is proudly made in the USA. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship of this windshield. What we like. This half windshield provides just the right amount of protection without obstructing your view. It keeps the wind and debris away from your face. If you are looking for a balance between protection and open-air riding, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This 1/4 thick plexiglass half-high windshield is the strongest on the market and was well packaged, simple and easy to install on my 2025 Honda Pioneer 1006 side by side, but you have to put the supplied rubber strip on the bottom of it. Perfectly sends wind up over your head. We're very satisfied with our SuperATV half windshield. It was easy to install. It stays in place and deflect the wind as it should. Number 2. SuperATV windshield for Honda Pioneer 1000. This is the SuperATV vented full windshield, designed for your Honda Pioneer 1000. It offers full protection from the elements while also giving you control over airflow. You get the best of both worlds with this windshield. You can have it fully closed for protection or open for maximum airflow when the weather is warm. It's all about giving you control. The unique vents on this windshield let you control your airflow. You can set them to fully closed, half open, or fully open, depending on your needs. Made with 1/4-inch polycarbonate, this windshield is incredibly strong. It's 250 times stronger than glass, making it perfect for off-road adventures where rocks and branches are a concern. The windshield features our XR optic hard coating on both sides. This makes it more resistant to scratches and abrasions, and it's also UV resistant, ensuring it lasts. This SuperATV windshield is proudly made in the USA. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This vented windshield gives you complete control over airflow with its adjustable vents. It can be set to fully closed, half open, or fully open. If you want to customize your riding experience and stay comfortable in any condition, you should consider this one. What people say. The windshield fit perfectly and was easy to install. The windshield is very sturdy and well built. It does a great job of deflecting the wind and keeping the occupants of the Pioneer 1005 comfortable. Number 1. SuperATV Honda Pioneer 1000 Glass Windshield. This is the SuperATV glass windshield designed for your Honda Pioneer 1000. It's built to enhance your riding experience with superior clarity and durability. Get ready to see the trail like never before. This windshield is virtually unscratchable and features a glare-reducing tint. It comes with a manual wiper and vents for added convenience. Plus, it's DOT approved, making it road-ready. The windshield is incredibly scratch-resistant, so rocks, sand, and branches won't leave a mark. It provides a crystal-clear view with a light tint to reduce glare. It also minimizes dust and dirt buildup. It comes equipped with a manual wiper that's easy to operate from the driver's seat. The vents allow you to control airflow, letting you adjust to the elements as needed. The steel frame attaches securely with heavy-duty clamps. Installation is quick and easy, ensuring a windshield that won't slip or rattle. You can find instructions via the QR code or the manufacturer's website. What we like. This windshield offers a premium glass experience with its DOT approval and included manual wiper. It provides unmatched clarity and scratch resistance, ensuring a clear view in any condition. If you are looking for a durable, road-ready windshield with added convenience, this is the one for you. What people say. Installed the windshield and the top 2 brackets are nowhere even close to fitting or bolting up. Overall a really good windshield. Went on easy, 4 clamps. Fit shape 24 Pioneer well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.